Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Man, am I so excited to have you here. And today we're gonna be diving into affiliate marketing and my strategy on how you guys can create passive income online from the comfort of your very own home. If that's something you're interested in, then let's jump into the video. If you guys are new here, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that bell. For those of you who are watching this video and you're like, I don't know what the heck affiliate marketing is, let me tell you what it is. Affiliate marketing is when you refer or recommend a product to someone. It can be digital, it can be physical, whatever it is, and then you get a commission from that sale. There's a lot of companies out there that have what's called affiliate marketing programs, and they are totally happy and okay to pay you to promote their products. Let me give you guys an example of affiliate marketing. From the moment I became an entrepreneur, any entrepreneur worth their salt beat into me that building an email list is so important. Email marketing is not dead. You should be building a list. You don't have a business if you don't have an email list. And so I was like, oh my goodness, I was so stressed about building this email list. And so I went and looked into ActiveCampaign, which was referred to me by another entrepreneur. I signed up to ActiveCampaign through their link, and they earned a commission off of me signing up. But then I started to learn more about ActiveCampaign and how to use it, and realized the massive benefit of the software. And I also wanted to recommend it and refer to other people. And so I went in, found my custom link, and now I can promote that to other people who want to use email marketing and go, hey, I've used this software, I love it, you should try it out too. Here's the link, down in the description below, whatever it is. I don't just like affiliate marketing, I love it.
I don't like it. I love it, love it, love it. Whoa.
A few reasons why I love affiliate marketing is, first of all, it allows me to work from my computer from home, and it's really flexible. I can set my own hours, and I am truly my own boss when it comes to affiliate marketing. I also love the fun, competitive atmosphere of affiliate marketing, and I know that must sound so weird, and I think it might come from my ballroom dancing, competitive background, but there are a lot of people in affiliate marketing. There are a lot of people who are trying to promote the same products, but that competitive atmosphere makes me excited, and it's fun, and it's something that you can always work on to be better at. Another reason why I love affiliate marketing is it's a great long-term strategy, and it's really easy to start, but in the long term you can always work to scale it and make it even bigger. But if you think about it, if you're putting out content on social media, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, blogging, and you put links in the descriptions to your content, people can go back and watch that content and click on those links, buy the products, and so you're continuously able to make money on previous and future content, which I just think is so cool and such an amazing strategy when it comes to making money online. Let's dive into the strategy I use to make passive income online, and you guys can start today without any money or a website. The first thing you need to do is pick a product. So what I would highly recommend doing is make a list of things you are already currently using that you really love. And then you can just go onto Google and see if they have an affiliate marketing program. Usually that's done by typing in the product, and then after just typing affiliate marketing program or going to the company's website, and usually down in the very bottom you'll find affiliate marketing program details if they do have one. The very first product that I started promoting when I started this affiliate marketing journey, and that I still promote today, was the One Funnel Away Challenge. I was in a job that I absolutely hated. I was miserable. Every night I would dread going to work in the morning, and when I was actually at work, I would literally be counting down the minutes till I could go home. And it was awful, and the frustration I was feeling in my job was dripping over into other areas of my life, and I just really wasn't in a good place. With the help of my husband, I decided to quit my job. And it was right at the start of COVID, and I had no plan. I had no idea what I was doing, and there was also no money coming in the door. In this moment of absolute uncertainty, I heard about this 30-day challenge from some of my peers. And so I went and checked it out. It was $100, and I was just not sure if we could spend $100. It made me sick thinking about spending $100 on this challenge. But I'd heard so many great things about it. There was so much social proof and so many great results that people had posted from this challenge. And so I said, you know what? Let's do it. And so I took out my credit card, spent that $100, and for 30 days, I took this One Funnel Away challenge that taught me marketing, helped me launch a business, taught me how to build funnels, build a presence online, and just inspired me to run my own business and helped me set up the foundation to be my own boss. This challenge changed my life, and because of it, I want to share it with other people. When it comes to picking products, pick products you love. Pick products that you actually use, because that's going to make a huge difference in your success as an affiliate marketer. Once you've found a couple products that you want to promote, I would highly recommend sticking to 1 or 2 products to start out with, because when you have too many products you're trying to promote at once, you don't have success in any of them. So pick 1 or 2, and next you need to find a traffic source. You need traffic, because without traffic, you're not gonna make any sales. When it comes to traffic, I would say there's 2 main goals I focus on, which is 1, building trust, and 2, building that base of raving fans. As an affiliate marketer, you don't wanna be promoting crappy products, because if you've been working on building an audience and then you go and recommend this product that's crappy, or you're not honest about it, and then your audience goes and buys it because they trust you and then realize, oh, this product sucks, they're not gonna wanna buy from you in the future. And so as an affiliate marketer, a huge goal of yours constantly is to be building that trust. There was this girl I saw, I love her. She was recommending these blue light glasses, but they're a little more on the flimsy side. And so she was honest about that. She's like, I love these glasses, but they are flimsy and not as sturdy as other things I've tried in the past. And so she was honest and real. And so if her audience, who she loves and adores, goes and buys those glasses, they're not gonna be disappointed when they realize, oh, these are flimsier than other glasses. You wanna be picky about the products you're promoting, because if you start to go and promote everything under the sun, your audience isn't going to build that trust up with you. And you're really going to want to just promote the products that really have made a difference in your life and that can actually help change your audience's life as well. And make sure you be honest, okay? Be honest up front. If you don't like a product, that's okay. You can leave a review and let your audience know that. But be honest and upfront, because no matter what, here's the mindset you should have when it comes to affiliate marketing. Would you still promote it if you weren't making any money from it? Okay, and that's the question I always ask myself. Would I still promote this product or this course even if I didn't get a commission from it? And that's the mentality you should have when it comes to affiliate marketing, because you're here to serve. You're here to help make your audience's lives better. And as entrepreneurs, that's what we do. We're here to solve problems and help make people's lives better. And so when you filter, your strategy or your products through that question, would I still promote this even if I didn't make any money from it? Then you're going to be so much better off and be able to build that trust with your audience. The biggest strategy I use when it comes to traffic, because there's a lot of people that ask, well, which platform is the best to use? Where should I promote? What aspects of social media should I be posting on? My biggest tip for you is pick one, okay? Stick to it and post content on there consistently. Find a platform that works for you. If you don't love being on video, but you love just talking, a podcast might be really great for you. Or if you hate being on video and you hate talking in a microphone to nobody, a blog might be a really great place for you. Or participating in Facebook and joining groups, things like that. Or YouTube. If you love being on video, YouTube, I love YouTube and highly recommend it, but only if it works for you. So pick one traffic source, become an expert in that traffic source, reach your audience, build that trust, and then once you've got momentum there, then you can move to another traffic source. But when you're first starting out, pick one and you're gonna find so much more success that way. The next tip I'm gonna share with you in my strategy is create content. It can be so overwhelming to create content, but that's why I always recommend, start with that one traffic source, but create content consistently and show up, okay? Be present online, because that's the point of affiliate marketing. If you don't have a presence online, if you're not connecting with people, if you're not building content that adds value, then no one's gonna trust you, no one's gonna buy through your link, and you're not gonna make any money. So if you're gonna really build a business online, you have to show up online every day. The last tip is just start. It can be so easy to get overwhelmed when it comes to affiliate marketing. You're like, I don't know everything. I don't know, is this the best product? There's so many other products. What kind of commission? It's a lot, okay, to take in. But just start. You'll learn so much as you go. It's not gonna be perfect at the beginning. And in fact, I think taking imperfect action is 10 times better than taking no action. So just starting, learning how you like to work, learning about what kind of products, what kind of people you want to reach, that all comes with just starting. If you're listening to this, you're on the fence about starting affiliate marketing, here is your invitation. Just go, just do it. It's gonna be tough, but man, is it gonna be worth it. It's fun, and it's a great way to build the dream life you've always wanted. And being able to run your own hours, not having to report to somebody else, and really just connecting with people and adding quality in your little corner on the internet. If you guys have had success with affiliate marketing, then go ahead and drop it down in the comments below. I want this to be a place of support and love, and if you found success with affiliate marketing, go ahead and drop that down in the comments below. And if you're just getting started, let us know, saying, I'm just starting, and let's connect, let's get to know each other and help support each other better. If you guys liked this video or found value, it would mean the world to me if you hit that like button down below and subscribed. I put out free content 2 times a week, and I would love to see you around. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you later. Bye, dudes. Let's jump in. Ugh, I hate that. Here we go. I don't even know what to say.